Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about the single most powerful tool you possess. It's not in your hands, it's not in your bank account, it's right between your ears. Your mind. It is the architect of your reality, the engine that powers your dreams. And sometimes, let's be honest, it's the biggest obstacle standing in your path. Have you ever felt like your own thoughts are working against you? Like you're stuck in a loop of negativity or self-doubt? I've been there. And it's a frustrating place to be. The truth is simple, and it's a hard one to swallow. If you don't master your mind, it will absolutely master you. It will dictate your moods, limit your potential, and keep you from the life you deserve. Think about it. Every single action you take, every word you speak, every goal you set, it all starts as a thought. Your entire world is built upon the foundation of your inner dialogue. So if that foundation is shaky, filled with fear and doubt, how can you possibly build a strong, successful life on top of it? It's like trying to build a skyscraper on quicksand. So, if you're ready to stop being a passenger and start being the pilot of your own life, if you're ready to truly master your mind, then do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell, because we're here to help you on this journey. We share daily motivational videos, powerful moral lessons, and inspirational stories that will give you the tools and the mindset to create a successful, fulfilling life for yourself. This isn't just about feeling good for a few minutes. It's about making a fundamental shift in how you think. Every thought you think plants a seed in the garden of your mind. It's a powerful metaphor, but it's true. What are you planting today? Are you watering seeds of doubt, worry, and limitation? If you constantly focus on fear, what do you think will grow? A tangled mess of anxiety. But what if you chose to plant different seeds? What if you decided to focus on strength, on courage, on possibility? Then you'll grow resilience, confidence, and unwavering belief in yourself. The world outside is unpredictable. We can't control it. But the world within? That is your kingdom. It's yours to command. So how do you start? You train your mind like a muscle. You wouldn't expect to have strong biceps without ever lifting a weight, right? It's the same with your mind. You have to challenge it with discipline. This means catching negative thoughts and consciously replacing them. It means setting small, achievable goals and celebrating those wins. It means choosing to see the opportunity in a challenge instead of just the obstacle. Discipline isn't about punishment. It's about choosing what you want most over what you want now. And just like a muscle needs fuel, you need to feed your mind with positivity. Who are you listening to? What are you reading? What are you watching? Surround yourself with content and people that lift you up, that inspire you, that push you to be better. Unfollow the negativity. Turn off the news if it just brings you down. Be ruthless about protecting your mental space. Your mind will become what you feed it. Feed it junk, and you'll feel sluggish and negative. Feed it wholesome, positive fuel, and you'll feel energized and optimistic. Finally, just as important as the training and the fuel is the rest. You must rest your mind with peace. In our non-stop, hyper-connected world, we've forgotten how to be still. We've forgotten the power of silence. This could be meditation, a quiet walk in nature, or simply sitting for 5 minutes without your phone. This is when your mind processes, recovers, and strengthens. It's in the quiet moments that your best ideas often surface. You can't be on 24/7. Rest isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for peak mental performance. Remember, the strongest warriors are not those who conquer others, but those who conquer themselves. The biggest battles you will ever fight are the ones that take place in the arena of your own mind. It's you versus your limiting beliefs. It's you versus your procrastination. It's you versus your fear of failure. Winning these internal battles is the key to winning in the external world. Every time you push through a moment of doubt, you become stronger. Every time you choose action over anxiety, you build your character. When that little voice of doubt starts to whisper in your ear, and it will, you need to have a response ready. Don't argue with it. Don't engage it. Simply respond with determination. Acknowledge the thought and then pivot to action. Say, I hear you, but I'm doing it anyway. When the chaos of life rises around you, when everything feels overwhelming, don't get swept away by the storm. Find your center. Stand in calm control. Take a deep breath. Focus on the one next step you can take. You are the eye of the hurricane. This is the most crucial lesson of all. You are not your thoughts. You are the thinker behind them. You are the observer. Your thoughts are like clouds passing in the sky. Some are dark and stormy, some are light and fluffy. But you are the sky itself, vast, constant, and unaffected. You can learn to watch your thoughts come and go without getting attached to them, without letting them define you. They are just suggestions, not commands. And once you truly, deeply understand that, nothing can shake your foundation. Criticism won't crush you. Setbacks won't break you. Fear won't paralyze you. Because you'll know that your true self, your core being, is separate from the fleeting noise of your mind. You'll have an inner fortress that no external event can penetrate. This is the ultimate freedom. This is what it means to be mentally sovereign. So let's make a commitment, right here, right now. A commitment to stop letting our minds run the show on autopilot. A commitment to start training, feeding, and resting our minds with intention. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a daily practice. It's a lifestyle, but it is the most rewarding work you will ever do. Because when you master your mind, you master your life. Every single aspect of it. Your relationships, your career, your health, your happiness, it all improves. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this message resonated with you, if you feel that spark of determination, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people who need to hear this. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and join our community of Mind Masters. Let's do this together. Leave a comment below and tell me one small step you're going to take this week to start mastering your mind. I read every single one. Until next time, stay strong and take command.